This is Ethan Hoffman with eXp Realty. Today I'm in Babcock Ranch touring a new community called the Sanctuary, built by William Ryan Homes. Today I'm going to do a tour of the Sawgrass model. It's 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, 3-car garage, 3,106 square feet, starting in the mid 500s. Please call me at 931-436-5507 to schedule a tour of this beautiful model and the beautiful city of Babcock Ranch. Please like and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Facebook group called Inside Babcock Ranch, where I post tours of the model homes, builder incentives, and resale homes, and other information about the community. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.